I'm installing this trailer hitch on my 2026 Nissan Rogue. I think it's an SV, and the trailer hitch company, they want me to install the end pieces loosely, and then lift it up in place. But I think I'm going to do the end pieces and then lift the hitch up and install it. So what I've done so far, this is what it looks like underneath. And you have to take these, it says to take these two pop rivets out, which I did. They're right there. And so you can pull this down to get some more room. So I have the one plate up here, and it's let me turn on the camera. I mean the okay, so I have the tailpiece on there. What I did is I don't know if I can see this. The sun's shining. It's right directly overhead right now. But I have like a pin punch stuck in the back hole to hold that in place. So it's kind of difficult for me to get my hands up in there. Let me see if I can. Am I seeing that? Yeah, there it is. I think that's it. I can't really see because the sun's shining right in my... Okay. I also have Loctite blue for the threads. So what I ended up doing was taking both the ends off and then putting it on my jack, and then jacking it up a little bit, and put the end plates up over where they're supposed to go, and just put the bolts in. I'll see how that does. So something else I figured out is that this has to go underneath this. That's why I had to take that's why they said to take the rivets out, because I got to pull this back, and this has this here has to go up in here. So I had to there's some brackets. I don't know if you can see them right there. They're the brackets for the clips. I had to bend those back. I think I got this side up high enough. So you got to pull this. You got to pull the bumper guard back when you jack it up. I mean, you could probably do this with two people, you know, but I'm not two people. I mean, I put the one on my 2006 Malibu, and that I did that by myself, and it wasn't that difficult. That seems to have worked. I've got all the bolts in; they're just not tightened down yet. So here's the other side without the plate on it. It's up under the back bumper guard. So what I had to do is I had to jack it up, and I had to bend this bracket back. And get it up past the muffler. And then I'm going to put the plate on, the side plate. And I put Loctite on all the bolts. It's all done. Got it finally installed. I can't see what I'm looking at because I'm in the bright sun, but I hope it's showing the installed. And they gave the rubber cap that goes in there. It was like the way it was in it was an M. My first name, the surname starts with a W, so I turned it upside down. What if they put like a different cap in there for whoever's name, you know, that the trailer hitches for? They put the first letter of their name. So anyway, my thoughts, it's probably a good idea to have a jack, you know, like a floor jack to put this on, even with two people.